Hello everyone. You know, I gonna go to a party. You wanna come with me? Gonna, wanna. Those are an example of informal English. You wanna learn more? Here's the intro first. Actually, this informal construction in English is from American language. They just want to shortcut it. But it's cute, right? So I will teach you how. There are 5 words that I'm gonna give you so that it's easy for you to remember. First word is wanna, short for want to. Second word is gonna, short for going to. Third word is give me, short for give me. Fourth is gotta, which is got to, but actually it's have to. And the last word, which is very, very common, that everybody's always using this, is ain't, which is only the N and the T is not, but it is the short way of saying have not. So I will give you sample of sentences that you can use so that you will be sound like a natural speaker. And don't forget to repeat it after me.
Let's start with wanna. Repeat after me. Wanna. I wanna hold your hand. I wanna hold your hand. Do you wanna marry me? Do you wanna marry me? Now, I will tell you the correct way on saying it. I wanna hold your hand is I want to hold your hand. Do you wanna marry me is do you want to marry me? That is the correct way on saying it.
Now, how about using gonna? Repeat after me. Gonna. I think I'm gonna be late. I think I'm gonna be late. What we gonna do now? What we gonna do now? Now, here is the correct sentence for those 2 samples. I think I'm gonna be late. I think I am going to be late. What we gonna do now? What are we going to do now? The third one is gotta. Repeat after me. Gotta. I gotta go now. I gotta go now. Now, here is the correct way to say it. I have to go now, or I got to go now. Second sample is she gotta be kidding. She gotta be kidding. The correct way is she have to be kidding, or She got to be kidding. Now let's talk about gimme. Repeat after me. Gimme. I will give you two example of sentence, which is I got it from a song. Give me a man after midnight. Give me a man after midnight. The correct way is give me a man after midnight. That is a song from ABBA. Next one is give me love. Give me love. The correct sentence is give me love. And that song is from Joji. Let me guess. I am sure you are singing now. The last word is ain't. The very, very common usage in English. Repeat after me. Ain't. You ain't going to like this. You ain't going to like this. Correct way of saying it is you are not going to like this. Second example is I ain't gonna like it. I ain't gonna like it. I am not going to like it. That is the correct way. I am not going to like it. You want to have more? I'm gonna give you the part 2. Did you hear those words? Wanna, gonna. So please wait for the part 2 for this informal English construction that is the American English speakers always use. Thank you so much for watching, but once again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you gonna have the part 2. Thank you so much for listening. You're all awesome.